Good morning mga kapatid. Ngayong araw nagpapatuloy po ang Brigada Eskwela natin. May mga bisita po kami ngayon galing po sa Army Reserve Force ng Philippine Army. Galing sa Fort Bonifacio. Pakita po kung ano mga gawain nila. Maraming salamat po. AFP.
Ay, sorry.
Yan si ma'am, ang aming brigada coordinator. Yan, napakagaling. Po sila sir, galing sa Army Reserve Force ng Philippine Army. Tuloy-tuloy din po ang aming pagtanggap ng mga estudyante dito sa Palar Integrated School. Ayan po, mga teachers tumatanggap ng enrollment. Kaway-kaway po ma'am. Ayan si ma'am, gusto makita sa vlog. Ay, grabe ah. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang enrollment. Tuloy-tuloy po ang pagtanggap ng mga estudyante. Hi.
Ampag. Mapakan ko pula, mapakan ko pintura.
Todo pintura sila sir. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyo sir. Sa pagtulong sa aming paaralan. Sipag ni sir ah. Ayan, busy-busy po ang aming mga kasamahang guro.
Mahalo-halo yan sir. May transcript na yun. All. Thank you.
Ano po yun, sir?
Alimutan ko kasi yung pangalan ng teacher tsaka yung section ng pamangkin ko grade 4 Balik ano siya, eskwela.
Grade 4. Ano pong pangalan?
Yung pastor sa NDK. NDK. Junior.
Sige po, hanapin po natin.
Tapos, yung hindi ko alam na nag-orient na pala kasi wala akong original text
Opo. Sige po.
Ako na kaya ko.
Yan, ito po yung kasalukuyang kaganapan dito sa Palaran Integrated School. May mga nag-enroll, marami pa po. Marami pa nag-enroll. Pa-subscribe po, Sir Glenn TV. Si ma'am hindi pa tapos magpintura.
Hello, pengiret.
Andun ma'am, gamit ng mga AFP. Kaway naman kayo, be. Oh. Sir Glenn TV, makikita nyo. Kaway kayo, be. Thank you.
Picturean din. Video yun. Ay!
Wala niyo po sa puno kayo?
Bakit may bosket na? Sana, saan pang ano nga?
Napalitan siguro yung pangalan. Napalitan siguro yung
Parang pang bukas natin dito.
Okay, so good morning po sa ating mga members ng Philippine Army. At this point po, we would like to award the certificate. So let me read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, National Capital Region, Schools Division Office of Philippine City and Pateros. Schools District of Cluster 9, Palar Integrated Schools, 14th Street, Palar Village, Pinagsama, Cavite City. Memorandum of Understanding of Cooperation and Partnership between Palar Integrated School and Philippine Army. Malad Integrated School of Philippine Army agreed to cooperate in progressing qualitative improvements of the school in cooperation with DepEd Program Regalo Escuela 2022. The Philippine Army agrees to support cleaning painting. The agreement to work together covers 18th day on the date of August 2022 and the date of formal signing of this memorandum of understanding is specified below. Signed, Sergeant Ricardo Espanario, Philippine Army Team Leader, and Dr. Magdalena G. Centeno, Palar Integrated School. Let me read again the citation of another set of certificate. Republic of the Philippines Department of Education, National Capital Region, Schools Division Office of Taguig City and Pateros, Palar Integrated School. Award the Certificate of Appreciation to, in acknowledgement and appreciation of the invaluable contribution, concern, and cooperation in line with the Department of Education project, Adapt a School through Brigada Escuela Program 2022. Their unwavering dedication and unceasing support to the welfare of the school children is worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 8th day of August, in the year of our Lord 2022 at Scorpion Street, Palar Village, Barangay Pinagsama, Taguig City. Signed, Dr. Magdalena G. Centeno, Principal. This certificate of appreciation is presented to Philippine Army. Another certificate of appreciation is awarded to Private Arvin G. Rector. This certificate is also awarded to Private Joel E. Sumuga. Another certificate is awarded to Private John Stephen R. Legaspi. Another certificate is awarded to Private Jasmine Mar Lacurnas. Another certificate is awarded to Private First Class Nemesio S. Niebla. Another certificate is awarded to Private First Class Orlando D. Pablo. Another certificate is awarded to Corporal Baltazar A. Balayo. Another certificate is awarded to Sergeant Ricardo S. Paneria Jr. Another certificate is awarded to Private First Class Jeffrey R. Ventura. Another certificate is awarded to Sergeant Roldan F. Pagutilla. And Private First Class Jennifer R. Castillo. Another certificate is awarded to Major Roberto L. Montemayores. And another certificate for Major Henry A. Taman. Okay, congratulations, sirs, and thank you for your time and effort. Picture daw po muna.
Sir, pwede mo makasayo?
Ayan, thank you po Philippine Army. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa Brigada Eskwela. Yun, kitang-kita.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail so